Alright, we are here in the East End Garage, downtown Rochester, New York. Got some OTIS Gen2 MRLs to take a ride on. Gonna go to 4. Watch the numbers going up. Here are 4. These are actually pretty nice elevators. The cabin before you go back down. Got the window going down. Sum this up. Try to get the other elevator. And it should be here. Damn, I love those lights. Yep, you got it. First time I ever got a video of this elevator. Here we go up. Carlson YMCA is across the street, opened in 1926. Maybe that'll have something vintage in there. Here we are. I'm gonna build seat in the elevator shaft. Yeah, look at that. You can actually. Holy shit, look at that. That is legit. Let's go back to 1. Just like the other elevator, it's nothing too special, just an OTIS Gen2. We are back at 1, and yeah, you can see up the elevator shaft. Look at that. That is so fucking cool. Here's the elevator, and that's it.